Question says, Tamara has two sisters. One of the sisters is 7 years older than Tamara, and the other sister is 3 years younger than Tamara. If the product of Tamara's sister's age is 24, how old is Tamara? Alright, so we begin by letting Tamara's age be equal to x, okay? So her oldest sister, will be x plus 7. That's x plus 7. And of course the youngest sister will be x minus 2. So the younger sister of Tamara is x minus 2. Alright? Now the question goes on to say that the product of the sister's age, these two ages, is equal to 24. Right? So I'm going to write x plus 7 times x minus 3 is equal to 24. Our next step is to cross multiply. Now, if you remember how to do operations of multiply in parentheses, right, like in monomials and polynomials, we will use the FOIL method, F-O-I-L. So the first term is x times x will give me x squared. The outer term is negative 3 times x, that's negative 3x. The inner term is 7 times x, that is 7x. And the L is for the last term, that is negative 3 times 7, is negative 21. So all that is equal to 24. Our next step is to bring the 24 from this side of the equation over here, that becomes negative 24. So I'm going to get x squared, I'm going to add the two like terms in the middle. This will give me plus 4x. Bring the 24 over here. This becomes negative 24 plus negative 21. That will give me negative 45. And the right hand side will be 0. So it looks as though we got a quadratic equation resembling this. X squared plus 4x minus 45 is equal to 0. Now our task is to solve this quadratic equation. So let's see if the equation can be factorized. Give me two numbers when you multiply, you get negative 45 times 1, that's negative 45. And when you add, you must get the number in the middle here, the coefficient of the x, that's 4. Now those two numbers are positive 9 and negative 5. So I'm going to use x plus 9, I'm going to use x minus 5 equals 0. Clearly when we cross multiply, we can see that you will get back the original equation. X squared plus 9x minus 5x, that's 4x. Minus 5 times 9 is negative 45 equals 0. So the solution of the equation will be x equal negative 9 or x equal positive 5. Now clearly the age of someone cannot be negative. So this solution here is completely out. You will eliminate that. So the only solution will be x is equal to 5. So Tamara's age, which we knew was x, is equal to 5 years old. Now remember the older sister was a certain amount of age older than Tamara. So let's check that out. The older sister is 7 years older than Tamara. So the older sister will be 7 plus 5, which is 12, and the younger sister will be 3 years younger than Tamara. So that will be 5 minus 3, that's 2. Now the information given in the question says that the product of the age is equal to what? 24. What is 12 times 2? 24. That is how you know that the value of x equals 5 was the correct solution to this problem, okay? So the first thing you have to do is recognize the English involved here, the statement, make it into a mathematical statement, and solve it, making sure you do not make an arithmetic error. That's how you use quadratic equation to solve real life problems. Till I see you the next time, peace out.